I have worked in the patient safety field since it really got started in Denmark about 2000, 2001. In the beginning we focused a lot about awareness. We do have a problem, we need to do something about the problem. Reporting system, if we do not know what goes wrong, how can we do something about it? How do we analyze events? How do we look upon these things from a systemic point of view? Then it went on more to how do we change the systems? How do we design a safer healthcare system? And into huge improvement programs. Patient empowerment got on. You know, we need to get the patient in the steering seat. The patient can be a help themselves, but also be a help for the healthcare system, so that would be safer. And now we're moving beyond healthcare, going into the civic society, trying to take the discussion into the civic society that will have put a pressure on the healthcare system in order for the healthcare system to accelerate the speed of improvements. Well, patient safety is really a very broad term as far as I'm concerned, and it just means a much better and safer healthcare system than what we have today. To put the patient in charge. I think it's exciting to hear new ideas, to meet colleagues, to keep up with the network and see what goes on everywhere and get inspired and take something home.